In order to make $100 fast, you're not going to need to know anything about Google or SEO or blogging or creating any content, because I already promised you that you don't have to do any of those things. We are going to be utilizing something called, if your goal is to make your first $100 online, not $10,000, then you need to watch this video because it's for you. I'm going to show you the exact method that I use to make money on Clickbank fast, and it works every single time, but without a website, without content, and without waiting months to see if it works or not. This isn't a get rich quick video. This is a get momentum and get money video. Once you hit your first $100, everything changes. If you're new here, my name is Antonio X. Carter of Operation Emancipation Occupation, helping you get freedom from your 9-to-5 jobs with all things making money online, with an emphasis of affiliate marketing. I teach people how to get results with no fluff, and I'm trying to create a movement. I want to help 100 people make their first commission. I also want to help 10 people make their first 6 figures online. If you're one of those individuals, then keep watching this video. In this video, I'm going to break down why Clickbank is the perfect platform for beginners, the fastest traffic source that I use in order to make your first $100 fast, a simple funnel that actually works, and how I teach this system step by step so that you do not lose. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. Making your first $100 is actually very hard. It's harder than even making your first $1,000 because your first $100 proves the system works, the traffic converts, and you're not guessing anymore. It's typically up here more than anything else. It's a complete mind shift. Listen, I get it. All the shiny ball syndrome, ball objects, all the different method and stuff. Spoiler alert, it all works, all right? Don't test any more stuff. Just pick one and rock with it. Use this video, get results, and go with it. Don't guess anymore. This strategy is not about perfection. Listen, this whole thing with Clickbank, this is perfect for beginners because it's instant approvals. I've never seen them be late when it comes to paying the money back for commissions. The offers typically are already proven. The ones when you use my criteria of how to select a proven offer. The commissions are high and you don't have to worry about customer support. This is why I love affiliate marketing. With Clickbank, the job is not to create something new. The job is to connect traffic to an offer. That's it. Now you've been waiting for this one part. What type of ads are we using? What type of traffic? What are we doing? Am I doing backflips on a TikTok video? No, you're not. In order to make $100 fast, you're not going to need to know anything about Google or SEO or blogging or creating any content, because I already promised you that you don't have to do any of those things. We are going to be utilizing something called native ads. Search ads like Google wait for intent. You're waiting for the opportunity to hit you across the head for something. Native ads create the opportunity for intent. Let me break this down to you. You've ever scrolled down at the bottom of MSNBC or CNN.com and you've seen these weird pictures and you have to click them because they're so clickable. There are other blog posts that take you on to other stuff and you have to click it and then you click the links and stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, those are not blog posts. Those are ads. And you use a platform called Rev Content to create these ads. I'm going to show you how to do this for cents on the dollar to help you get the results so that you can hit your $100 day fast. I said 24 hours, right? Let's do it. Rev Content is a native platform. Your ads show up as recommended content on other people's websites. It's cheap clicks, no keywords, no keyword research, easy testing, Clickbank friendly, and it's really hard to get banned from anything. As a matter of fact, I personally have not seen anybody banned from using Rev Content because I recently got my Bing Ads, aka Microsoft Ads account banned, and I got a slap from Google Ads. Annoying. Oh, and my Facebook Ads account is banned as well. Lucky I got 2 of them. Lastly, you don't need a big budget. You just need a smart setup. So the next step, let's break it down. The simple funnel. I've made a video called the $1 million funnel. This is what a ton of other marketers and influencers have used in order to make the big bucks. And we are just simply taking a small cut of that same funnel and we are making it more simple. We're not asking for email addresses at this point in time. We are just getting traffic and eyeballs over to our landing page and people are clicking that and going to see our offer. This is literally a 1 to 2 page funnel depending on how you cut it. In this video, I'm going to talk about going from ad to advertorial page over to ClickBank offer. That's it. The ad is not going to be salesy. It's just going to be something that catches the eyeball so that people can click on it. Once they click on it, then they're going to move over to your advertorial. Another word for advertorial is just a pre-sale page. Don't make this any more difficult than what it really is. This is probably the simplest thing that I've ever taught on my channel. It looks like an article. Some of them do not look like an article. This page is designed to build belief, and it warms up the reader in order to take action. Again, you're not selling, you are pre-framing. Us as affiliate marketers, this is so important, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and in the comments, say, I'm not a salesman. This is so important. This lets me know that you're watching up to this point. I am not a salesman. Your job as an affiliate marketer is not to sell. The sales page of the affiliate product does the selling for you. This is so important, guys. All you do as an affiliate marketer, you whet the appetite. You create the buzz in order to get the click. In this case, with native ads, the picture and the image is everything. Not the headline, not the content, the image. Once they click over, you give a little bit of information in order to whet the appetite again. Once they click over to the affiliate page, your job is done. The sales page of the product now does the work for you. Your job simply was to get the click. I rest my case. You've been making this way too hard, because after they see the product and they like the product, they see the video, the sales page or whatever, now it's time for them to check out and pay the money. Once they pay the money, guess what happens with your pockets? It grows because you get a commission. Okay, so I've given you the theory and all that stuff. Let's go ahead and talk about numbers. Let's make this realistic. Let's say you have 30 bucks a day. And don't tell me you don't have 30 bucks a day because you're watching this video. You want to know how to hit $100 in 24 hours. You already know it's not going to be hustle and bustle because you don't want to put yourself out there. Maybe you have a job. Maybe you're just too embarrassed. You don't want your face being out there on the internet. Totally cool. You got a job. You buy Starbucks every day and you also buy a Subway sandwich. Not just a sandwich, you buy the whole freaking meal with the drink and the chips. Or maybe 2 cookies. That's 25 bucks out the day already. You got 30 bucks a day. Your ad is now generating clicks at 30 to 60 cents per click. 60 cents is very high. Typically, I drive clicks for about 25 to 45 cents at most per click. You get 100 clicks that day, maybe 150 clicks that day. With those numbers, guys, realistically, 1 to 2 conversions at $50 or $75 of commission is life-changing. 2 sales in 24 hours off of 100 to 200 to 300 clicks. Guys, this is very possible. Ask me how I know. Obviously, this could take some tweaking, some optimizing and all that stuff, but your chances are still good if with your first ad, once done correctly, because already I can tell you it's okay to make mistakes. You're going to make mistakes probably your first ad or two. But when you take training like what I did, I took this native ad masterclass course by Tom Bell, who is a proven ClickBank Platinum winner, which means he's generated over $250,000 in commissions, not sales, commissions, in I think a 12 or 18 month period. I learned everything that I learned from him. Okay, a proven system that works over and over, hand in hand, and I teach you guys this stuff as I'm doing it in this video. It is nearly impossible for you to not make $100 in a day once you follow the correct system. I'm going to provide the link for that masterclass down below. Highly recommended because it is life-changing. You literally hold the destiny of your life in your hands, and you could be living a life so crazy beyond what you're doing right now. Now, very quickly, mistakes made so that you cannot get these types of results. Number 1, direct linking. You do not direct link an offer, taking the affiliate link of the sales page directly from the ad straight on over to the offer. That's not going to work, okay? It's going to get flagged. They're going to say, hey, you can't do this. Having too many ads, right? You get too crazy. You start creating stuff all over the place. There's no system. Don't do that, all right? This is not a shotgun attack, right? Bullets being sprayed all over the place. Be very targeted and very adamant and intentional about what we're doing here. And then number 3, quitting and giving up way too early. This is why 95% of affiliate marketers quit. You watch a video like this, you get inspired, you try it, you don't get results, and you say, oh, this doesn't work. I'm living proof. I'm telling you this works. Trust me. Do it. And then thank me later. And then hit that subscribe button. So what I'm going to do here, I provide mentorship in my other courses that I offer. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend the same offer if you go ahead and take me up on my #1 recommended resource, which is this Native Ads Masterclass. If you purchase it, which I highly recommend that you do, I will provide my own 8 weeks of mentorship with you. This is going to be 1 phone call per week for 8 weeks, just to kind of walk you through things, help you create your offers, help you create your landing pages. I have templates, stuff that's worked, give you my experience. That way you're not just guessing at information and doing it all on your own. I want to help you and guide you through this process, okay? You should easily be able to make the return on your investment once you make the purchase of this course. You'll be going from $100 days to $1,000 days in 24 hours. The link for that is down below. So listen, I loved making this. I get excited talking about this stuff. If you want me to create more information about advertorials or landing pages with native ads or something, let me know over in the comments and say, hey, Antonio, I want to learn more about Rev content. I want to learn more about how to find a hot offer in Clickbank. I can't make a video on it until you let me know. That's what I'm here for. Instead of paying thousands and tens of thousands of dollars on coaching like I did, just get it from me here. Let me know in the comments. Now, I talked about Rev content and native ads. If you're interested in Google ads making $100 a day with affiliate marketing, maybe you want to learn how to scale with traffic from just one platform to another. The same principles apply, but the methods are vastly different. I created that video that's going to be here. Go ahead and check that out. Watch it in its entirety, and then let me know how it goes. Just start binging my content. You binge my content, you will be successful at affiliate marketing. I honestly believe and I know that you should be able to make at least $1,000 per month with any of my videos. Hit that subscribe button. Check out the free links that I got for you down below. Go ahead, purchase the Native Ads Masterclass course so that I can help mentor you over the next 8 weeks. Let me know. Shoot me a message. Hit me up on the comments, whatever. See you guys in the next video.